And then here we have it, the dehydrated wild garlic. And all you can do now is you can either use this decoratively, and you can place this and decorate whatever dish you're doing. It's absolutely amazing. It's almost like dried seaweed in a way. It smells absolutely fantastic. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a blend of sea salt and dried wild garlic and place it into a little jar. So I bought this amazing James Martin wahl, and it's simply a grinder or a chopper. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place this into a chopper, crush this into here. And this device is absolutely amazing. What you do is just put the lid on like that. And then once you've done that, you've got the powder and you've got the salt. 55 grams of each, so it's equal proportions. And simply all you're going to do is you just mix them together. You could either use a pestle and mortar, or you could just mix this in. All you need to do is get a sterilised glass jar, which you can seal shut, like so. And then transfer your wild garlic salt into here. Wow, it smells really earthy. And simply, here you've got it. I've also used my Ninja to dehydrate lots of different things, from fruit to vegetables to herbs. I've also done this plum, so I was left over a load of plum skins and I actually dehydrated them. Great for adding on to cereal, so do check out the video I've done for that here. Also just covered a pickled garlic bud recipe. Check out the recipe as well. But this it absolutely does pack a punch. It's superb. Add a little sprinkle of that into your cooking as you normally would, and it's a great way of preserving wild garlic. So really hope you're enjoying this show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. Also check out my playlist for other wild garlic recipes. Absolutely amazing. So take care everyone. Enjoy.